We're late. Come on, kids.
My dear friends, I have a little surprise for you. Bravo!
Huh? You only had to follow my lead.
Stop, Flip. It's been too long since I was on stage. I can't do it.
We've got to do something. You go on. Me? Why me? Because you have the rock and roll attitude.
Ridiculous.
Hi, my name's Willie. Little Willie.
Horrible sound.
No, in fact, I'm here to introduce the great group that is coming. Don't worry, it'll be all right. Bumblebee, Bumblebee, nobody improvises like me. Everybody with me. No one improvises like. No one improvises like
Oh, man. Whew. I feel better now. Laughing. It relaxed me. All right, Flip. Let's do this, man.
This is really gonna rock.
Willie!
Well, that's about it for me. Here's the Flippin' Elvis rock duo.
See the whoa! Oh, well, I don't suppose I'll ever change. You would like to be an ant, and run wherever you want, oh yeah. You would like to be a cricket, with wings make a loud, loud racket. You would like to be a millipede, I'd like to do your dance indeed. But for the grace you are of me, the most beautiful that ever could be. Little Maya, and there are not two like you, you.
And here's Elvis, the bumblebee, with Flippy sings this song too. Hey, you improvise really well!
Oh yeah, make a loud racket, people. Yeah.